We celebrate anniversaries, wedding anniversaries and jubilees. But the one way it. Write down, if you want you can make a note. Take paper, pen and note down. I am giving time. Bring paper, pencil or notebook, write down. Heading, anniversaries and jubilee. Suppose a man celebrating his 10th wedding anniversary, 12th wedding anniversary or 25th wedding anniversary. There is a special name for that. So let us discuss about it. Write down. First wedding anniversary means cotton jubilee or cotton wedding anniversary. COTTY, cotton. First anniversary means equal to cotton jubilee or cotton wedding anniversary. COTTY. Second wedding anniversary means paper jubilee or paper wedding anniversary. PAPER, paper jubilee or paper wedding anniversary. Okay. Third anniversary means leather jubilee or leather wedding anniversary. LEATHER. Third anniversary means leather jubilee. LEATHER, leather jubilee or leather wedding anniversary. Fourth wedding anniversary, same flower jubilee. Flower jubilee or fruit jubilee. Flower jubilee or fruit jubilee. FRUIT, fruit. Then fifth wedding anniversary, wooden jubilee. WOODN, wooden jubilee or wooden wedding anniversary. Fifth anniversary means wooden jubilee or wooden wedding anniversary. Then sixth anniversary or sixth wedding anniversary, sugar jubilee. SUGAR, sugar jubilee or sugar wedding anniversary. SUGAR, sugar jubilee or sugar wedding anniversary. Then seventh wedding anniversary means wool jubilee. WOOL, wool jubilee or wool wedding anniversary. WOOL, wool jubilee or wool wedding anniversary. Eighth wedding anniversary means bronze jubilee or bronze wedding anniversary. BRONZE, bronze wedding anniversary or bronze jubilee. Once again, BRONZE, bronze jubilee or bronze wedding anniversary. Ninth wedding anniversary means copper wedding anniversary. COPPR, copper jubilee or copper wedding anniversary. 10th wedding anniversary means tin jubilee or tin wedding anniversary. TIN, tin. Tin jubilee or tin wedding anniversary. Then next one, 11th anniversary, steel jubilee or steel wedding anniversary. STEEEL, steel jubilee or steel wedding anniversary. Then 12th wedding anniversary called silk jubilee, silk jubilee. SILK, silk jubilee. 12th wedding anniversary called silk jubilee. SILK. Then 13th, lace jubilee. LACE, lace wedding anniversary. LACE or lace jubilee or lace wedding anniversary. Then 14th wedding anniversary called ivory jubilee or ivory wedding anniversary. IVORY, ivory wedding anniversary. 14th. Once again, 14th wedding anniversary called ivory. IVORY, ivory wedding anniversary. Then 15th anniversary, crystal wedding anniversary. CRYSTIL, crystal wedding anniversary. CRYSTIL. Then 20th wedding anniversary, China jubilee or China wedding anniversary. CHINA, China jubilee or China wedding anniversary. 25th wedding anniversary called silver jubilee. We have celebrated silver jubilee or silver wedding anniversary 10 years back. 25th anniversary called silver wedding anniversary or silver jubilee. Then 30th wedding anniversary, Pearl jubilee or pearl wedding anniversary. PEARL. 30th anniversary or 30th wedding anniversary, pearl wedding anniversary. PEARL, pearl jubilee or pearl wedding anniversary. Then 35th Coral wedding anniversary. CORL. Coral Jubilee or Coral wedding anniversary. 35th. Okay. Then 40th. 40th wedding anniversary or 40th Jubilee called Ruby wedding anniversary. RUBY. Ruby wedding anniversary. My brother celebrated Ruby wedding anniversary 2 years back. 40th, after they married, celebrating the 40th year, which is called Ruby wedding anniversary. RUBY. Ruby wedding anniversary or Ruby wedding. 45th. 45th wedding anniversary called Sapphire wedding anniversary. SAPPHIRE. SAPPHIRE. Sapphire Jubilee or Sapphire wedding anniversary. 45th. Okay. Once again, 45th wedding anniversary called Sapphire wedding anniversary or Sapphire Jubilee. SAPPHIRE. Sapphire Jubilee or Sapphire wedding anniversary. Then 50th wedding anniversary. 50th Golden wedding anniversary or Golden Jubilee. GOLDN. Golden Jubilee or Golden wedding anniversary. Then 55th wedding anniversary. Emerald Jubilee or Emerald wedding anniversary. EMERALD. EMERALD. Emerald Jubilee or Emerald wedding anniversary. Once again, EMERALD. Emerald Jubilee or Emerald wedding anniversary. Then 16th wedding anniversary, Diamond wedding anniversary. Diamond or Diamond Jubilee. DIAMOND. 60th. DIAMOND. Diamond wedding anniversary or Diamond Jubilee. Then 75th wedding anniversary or 75th Jubilee of an institute or a college. Platinum Jubilee or Platinum Anniversary. PLATINUM. Platinum Jubilee or Platinum Wedding Anniversary. 75th. Okay. Once again, 75th anniversary is called Platinum. PLATINUM. Okay. Then 100th anniversary, Centenary Jubilee. CENTENARY. CENTENARY. Centenary Jubilee. Once again, 100th. CENTENARY. Centenary Jubilee. Then 500th anniversary of a college or institution or a company called Queen Century. 500th Queen, QUEN, Queen Century, CENTURY. 500th century is called Queen Century, CENTURY. These are most important. You can make a note for this. An educated person should know all these things. Okay? Have a nice day.